This is what $20 per night condominium gives you in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so let's get started with our apartment inside. This is like a one-bed studio. And this apartment is about $20 American per night or $560 per month. We found this apartment on Airbnb. It's private owned. The building is from 2015. There's so many things upstairs and down there where is the swimming pool, but let's focus on this one first. And all the bills and everything is included, the price of the rent. So electricity, water, there is the washing machine, many things, everything is included. So it's pretty good deal for Kuala Lumpur. And the location of this condominium is in Ampang, actually 15 minutes from KLCC Twin Towers. So we have a balcony here with the little table and the view of the city of Ampang actually. There is the bed, little table, lamp, another table, sofa, TV, a coffee table, little rug, and the kitchen. Sayang is cooking something. What are you doing, Sayang?
I love it. I love this place because all is inclusive. So come, I'll show you what we have here. We actually have a washing machine and then all kitchen utensils here. And so I can cook later on for breakfast. And then we
have
also
also
have a fridge. That's good thing. And yeah, like Damian explained to you, all is included. Electricity included. And the internet. The internet, the most important thing for Damian, it's very fast. Damian later on show you how fast is the internet.
So this is the internet speed test of our Wi-Fi in our apartment. As you can see, download is around 110 megabytes per second, which is actually very good for the apartments like that. But for me, the most important is upload, and it's also about 110 megabytes per second. So I can save my time and energy uploading the videos every day. Show the bathroom.
And the bathroom, we also have a hot water and showers, the place like this. I'm so sorry, little bit mess.
With the big mirror, huh?
Yeah, so this is it. Very nice.
Toilet, bathroom, shower
place.
Everything what you need, huh?
Everything. You just only bring your luggage, your clothes only. No need to think about furniture, no need to think about anything.
Also very nice thing about this apartment is that as we have a private balcony here, not so big, but it's also not that small. It's good enough to sit here and enjoy the view of the Ampang and Kuala Lumpur. Actually, our condominium is facing Ampang and the mountains, so it's like a little bit at the edge of the city already, which is actually cool. And well, at morning it's very hot here, so better is afternoon. We are filming now. It's very hot at the moment. So there are some other condominiums and of course the view of the Ampang. But also cool thing is as over here is the little lake. I didn't go yet there, but I wanna have a look.
Has a big swimming pool area, and there are many kind of things, facilities that here provided, such as the gym room over there. And this one is the gym room. So this is my key. Let's get inside.
Let's get inside. Wow. This is the gym with the window and everything. Wow. So many tools to train yourself if you would like to. Big mirror, hello. Yeah, the gym is actually pretty well equipped today. I'm gonna tell you, in this condominium, it's really not so bad. Sayang, you're gonna train yourself a little bit? I'm not sure, huh?
Yes.
And there is what there?
I don't know, maybe this one is yoga room.
Maybe
but
yoga
seems
room.
like nobody use it for yoga. Okay, so now I will show you the different facilities that is provided in this apartment.
Okay, let's go. That's the view of the neighborhood outside from the edge of the swimming pool. And what is here, Sayan?
This one is jacuzzi. So after you had a gym and after you swimming, and if you want to have a jacuzzi, you can just jump here. So nice.
Cool.
And next to it is sauna. So if you want to have a sauna, you can just get inside.
But they're cleaning right now.
So if you get bored, you can just get inside the games room.
Okay, let's check this out if it's open. Open, let's go. So they have the ping pong table, some kids here attraction, like they can walk and the billiard pool. However, billiard pool looks very tired and I'm not sure if it's working. And then this is like a recreation place where you could chill with the sofas, with the tables, like a bar. You could cook something here maybe even. I think so. There is the grill station. So what is here?
Wait, baby.
Yes?
They also have a show time. So if you want to watch movie, they have a mini cinema here.
Okay, but it's closed at that time, or no? I don't know.
Only on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, so it's closed today. We have to come back.
Most important thing also, they have reading room. So if you just want to focus reading or if you just want to work, you can get inside.
But somebody's sitting inside, so we're not gonna distract. Just little shot. Looks like this one. Okay.
They also have playground here, honey.
But the playground and some other facilities of these condominiums are already run down. They finished this building in 2015, and I don't know, probably because of pandemic and all of this stuff, some of the facilities are totally run down. Like for example, the playground doesn't look optimistic, and this is the swimming pool for the kids, which is totally like abandoned look. Also, sad thing is as there is beautiful rooftop on 42nd floor overlooking like 360 views of Kuala Lumpur, which is totally closed and run down and totally abandoned.
Honey, where we are
So
now?
this is the 42nd floor, the rooftop, but it's closed as you can see. And get closer, it's like totally nothing there, like it's run down. That's actually pretty sad because I booked this condominium. One of the reasons was actually the view from the rooftop, but the rooftop is not exist like. So yeah, pretty sad, but that's it. That's how it looks. But on the other side of the street, you can, on the window, you can see at least the view of the city. Yeah, but that's it. Actually, a little bit sad as the rooftop doesn't work, to be honest, but that's how it is. So this is also what was not included on our offer on Airbnb. So this is my honest review. How does it look like? It's nice. Room itself is nice, but overall condominium could be in little bit better shape than is today. Because as you can see, like this one's supposed to be something nice here, but it's totally like left over. Yeah, and now we're gonna go for shopping and we're gonna show you how does it look the neighborhood of our place in Ampang.
So that is behind me, our apartment for a few weeks. As you see that this apartment surrounded by many apartments as well, and behind also the security guy always stand by for 24/7. It's very safe place. Okay, so now it's time to do grocery shopping. I'm super excited to buying some stuff for our stay for about few weeks. So yeah, follow me. So yeah, we are waiting for the Grab now. It's about 5 minutes probably he will come, and behind me with the security guard.
You feel safe, huh? That's good.
So we just arrived in the Lotus, the biggest and the cheapest grocery store in Malaysia. They said like that, but I'm not sure how it's inside.
We're gonna get inside and we're gonna
Check
find
this
out. Welcome to Lotus Ampang. Sayang, do you have a license to driving it?
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, let's get shopping a little bit. So there is not only supermarket, but it's also like a little food court and mall. Everything is around here. It's not only as the hypermarket like it is in UK, as I remember. It was Tesco a long time ago, by the way. I mean, so much is going on, and that's the purpose of today's mission to going to the Lotus is this one, the hypermarket. Are you excited, Saya? Just remember, don't spend over the limit, huh?
So Damian first stop is chocolate.
Chocolate, of course. What do you expect? Snickers, 11 rings. Much cheaper. Some prices, we taking a shower gel, 6 ringgits. And Head and Shoulders for 15 ringgits in case if you need something like that. So now is the loaf, small loaf for 280. Yeah, like this one. And this is the bread section, egg section, and all of the stuff. And the eggs like this for 490 rings. This is the fruit and veg section. Looks like this one. Quite busy, I'm gonna tell you, just after 2nd of January. 5 oranges for 888 ringgits, like this one. Looking nice, huh? The bag of apples like this one for 9 ringgits. Okay, nice. Winny exchange oranges, 9 pieces for 13 ringgits already with the barcode because the queue for the scale is so long actually. Butter for 12.50 ringgits and other Greek cheese. You can have it for Greek yogurt for 14 ringgits. and overall stuff like this, cheese like ready to use for toast cheese, 8 ringgit. Carton of milk is about 7-8 ringgits, and the prices of yogurts and stuff like this is like this one. You can find for some cheaper for 150 and some better one like this one for 255 ringgits. And of course you can find the salmon fillet for 76 rings.
Honey, they have a mee goreng.
Mee goreng for 428, big pack. 1.5 liter of Coke, it's cost you 315 ringgits. Ritter Sport chocolate for 11 ringgits. And now Maggi ayam.
I love MSG.
Yeah, budget food. Full pack for only 5 ringgits. I found a nice promo, 12 cans of Pepsi for 12 ringgits, which one can 1 ring, very good price. Some Cokes, water, chips, fruits, you know, bread, noodles, some other stuff. Let's see how much we're gonna pay for all of this. It's the cashier time. Let's see.
Okay, so those are our grocery shoppings. Noodle, Indomie. Yes, I got it. And then Maggi. Okay, those all of the groceries cost us around 165 ringgits. And then the transport to get there, because we have to take Grab, obviously there is no bus to go there, around 16 ringgit. So 165 plus 16 ringgits, around 180 something.
181.
Okay, so yeah, this is it.
Around $40 for all what you can see over here. Still affordable, I could say. I think so. All right, that was our check-in and the shopping. Also, this condo where we are going now, passing by Arte Plus, is very popular on Airbnb. You can find so many places, but it's more expensive, like 700, 800 per month prices. Overall, this is our neighborhood. We are going now to take a bus, going to KLCC, because we want to see something around there, but we're gonna show you the hood around. So this is the one of the condo, and our condo is actually behind this one, very tall. We are staying on 23rd floor, but have 42 floors. Pity is the rooftop is no active, and well, everywhere around actually you can see the condominiums, and another one under the construction, and also in the background, guess what, condominiums. And that's like looks the hood. Every condo have a security and everything is just very calm here, that's for sure. This one also, Astoria Ampang, looks like a new. Only one tower is open, another 2 are under the construction. But I have a question to my wife. Sayang, be careful, car is coming. First of all, Sayang, you left Bali to living in the big city of concrete like this one, Sayang. Tell me, people asking you like that.
Well, my first impression is, I don't know, little bit speechless. I've got a mixed feeling. One side probably I feel like stress deep inside myself, because I used to live in a very laid back environment. If you know I'm tired, I can go to the beach, but here is only just like a big tall building. But to be honest, even I live now in my stress, but I feel something like happy inside. Happy in terms of the new things. I learn so many things when I travel. I learn you know, living in a big city life like this. I know that must be, you know, the feeling of fear, the feeling of not secure, but together with my husband, yeah, that's the most important thing, right? I know that maybe most of you who is living in a big city lives always thinking that we are crazy couple or nonsense couple, but yeah, living in such a long time in the very laid back island, sometimes we just need to go to the place, to go to the country where, you know, fast lifestyle, and yeah, this is to make us to be more creative, to make us to be more
productive,
you know, rather than we just sit on the beach or drinking beer. This is make us more productive, more learning about new things in life.
Anyways, we are going nearly to the main street where is our bus station and petrol station. But when you enter to the residential area, if I can call it like that, there are so many stalls selling the food, like street food stuff. So I can see they have a satay, there is nasi lemak, ayam goreng, some another one. They selling the many stuffs here, durians, fruits, lychee, coconuts, all of this stuff. and the petrol station is there, and there is the bus station. We walk from this street, our condo and other condos are just there, about 500-600 meters walk. On this side you can see the Harley Davidson. I don't know, I didn't realize they're having a Harleys here. And you can have two petrol stations on the other side of the street, Petronas and the Shell. This is the link when you are crossing the road if you want to go to the bus station. One is over there where we're gonna show you, and one is over there. So actually it's very accessible if you're gonna learn how to using the buses, what we already learned. But we're gonna show you again. And from this we can go directly to KLCC, Surya Mall and Twin Towers. So it's cool. And this is like a huge highway in general, so if you drive a car, I think it's also good place to stay around, Ampang. And this is our bus, actually just arrived. Sayang, run! Number 300, run, Sayang, we're gonna make it. Okay, we're going to KLCC by this bus. We catch the bus. This is a little bit of the hood. Everywhere there are actually condominiums and places to live. Also some hotels closer to KLCC. Sayang, enjoying. And that's how it looks inside the bus. Our ride should cost us 1 ringgit per one person per way. So not so bad. You can find a bank here also. Right, we arrived to KLCC just at the front of the Petronas Twin Towers. You have to have a card like this one, I think I already mentioned. On the ride, 15 minutes cost us only 1 ringgit. So it's not so bad. For us, it's actually very convenient because the bus stopping just at the front of the Petronas Twin Towers, and just this one here actually is the entrance to the KLCC LRT or metro station, the pink line. I don't know if MRT or LRT, but you know what I mean. And there is the Surya KLCC, so it's the mall and everything, so we can easily start our exploration very quickly and very easily. And also we need to stay somewhere in the area of Kuala Lumpur because we are making videos every single day. Also the Ampang area is very popular for the embassies, so wherever we go, from our condo here, we saw like 5 or 10 embassies from different countries. So keep it in mind. Maybe if you need to do some stuff here, looking to embassy, this is good area to stay because you could stay around here for only 1-2 days if you wanna do. It's already night and we are heading to Saloma Bridge. It's somewhere there if I'm not mistaken. So many street photographers here as well with their cameras. Probably making the street photography of the people and traffic in general. This is very popular in the big cities. Long time ago I wanted to make videos about that, like a slow motion zoom in, but well, I have other things to do today. So I'm making Insta story. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and check this out, the view of the KLCC Twin Towers Petronas. Saloma Bridge, I think it's there, you're going there. Anyway, so many billboards everywhere around and so much is going on. Look at this billboard, it's super cool. Big city life, you work fast, living fast, your brain working faster, huh? That's good, that's good. You see, I was right, Jalan Saloma, next to the Golden Bridge, which is public bank. There is like a street like this one, and we are going to... Which way? This way, yeah. Next to W actually, next to W Hotel and the big billboard. So basically behind us there are Petronas Twin Towers. This is the public bank, the gold building. And if you are going by small roads here, you can find the Saloma Bridge. Very nice bridge. Check this out. Here is the name in case if you would like to find out on the map. Saloma. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, this is Saloma Bridge.
This is the world famous Saloma Bridge. You see, when it's night time, you can see the light on the bridge. And what I can say, the best time to come here is at night time. But if you want to come in the afternoon, maybe the lights is off. But in the night time like this, you also can see the Twin Tower lights so bright.
Basically, this is very interesting concept. It's just the bridge, but they can make it nice with the lights and nice decorations. So it's tourist attraction. But previously, basically, this is just the link over crossing the highway here. So cool actually. Very interesting concept. So many people coming here and making the pictures, still overlooking the towers. But basically, people coming to making the pictures and selfies and families pictures. And all of this stuff, like this one. And inside the bridge, like this one, it's actually cool. Nice bridge and nice lights. Also, when you're driving, must looks very cool because the road is just there. This is big city life. Big building, bridges, hotels, that's the W. Then it's the Ritz-Carlton, famous, the KL Tower, and another buildings. That's how does it work in general. But down there you have some street food actually, that's very interesting.
So So this Saloma bridge is actually a connecting bridge between KLCC and then Kampung Baru. So it's about, if I'm not mistaken, 370 meters long. The one thing that I realized, people just come here to make a picture for their social media. You see, surround me. Wow. And you know, like standing there and then facing the Twin Towers. So this is it. What they are looking for is just like making picture here in the bridge of the Saloma, the connecting bridge basically. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. We just arrived in the area of our apartment, and behind me, what car is it, honey? I never see that in Bali.
That's the Rolls Royce, just parked casually on the middle of the street. Probably people eating outside on the in the small stalls.
Wait. They ride the Rolls Royce and eat in the water?
I don't know. It's so funny, yeah. But it's parked like on the middle of the side of the street. That's it. That's the life